Guys, if you want to start your journey as a financial freedom or you want to become financially independent, then this video will be worth watching. As today, I'm going to share with you 5 websites that will help you to make a lot of money. By using these websites, you will be able to earn and make good amount of money. So let's ready for the side hustle and get into the video. Number 1 on the list is Angel List Talent. This platform has more than 1,30,000 jobs you can apply with an application. Here you can find jobs, see salary and equity and much more. Here you need to sign up from your mail and then you can proceed in the hunt of jobs like tech jobs, start-based jobs and many more. Now coming to number 2. Jobspresso. Jobspresso is the simplest way to find best remote jobs in marketing, customer service and technology. There are a huge amount of profitable chances for remote work and you can do it from anywhere. Number 3. CreativeMarket.com. Creative Market is a platform for designers and it simply says bring your creative ideas to life. Here you can make cool creative designs and sell your designs and reach millions of buyers or promote other artists on Creative Market to earn cash. Last but not the least, number 4, that is Rave. Here you can earn money based on how quickly and efficiently you type. You will be getting paid by converting audio and video into text. At Rave, work as much or as little as you want. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Also, you can decide what you want to work on. Pick from a variety of lectures, interviews, podcasts and more to transcribe. So you can choose whichever one suits you best and make money in dollars doing it. So guys, these were some of the side hustle that you can use to earn a good amount of money. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do so, then do hit the like button. I will see you at the next one. Till then, bye bye.